Top 5 Best Magnetic Welding Ground in 2024. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best magnetic welding ground? If you received a new magnetic welding ground, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best magnetic welding grounds on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The ALLSOME on-off magnetic welding ground clamp is a versatile tool for welders, featuring a powerful neodymium magnet for secure connection to metal surfaces. Available in 200A, 300A, and 600A capacities, it offers flexibility for different welding needs. Originating from mainland China, it is durable, reliable, and ideal for professional welders seeking efficiency and precision. Its block-shaped design ensures ease of use. Number 2. The MWGC 200 magnetic welding ground clamp is a compact, powerful tool for 200A welding applications. It features a 30 kg NdFeB magnet, a durable block-shaped magnet, and an M10 screw diameter. Designed for industrial settings, it is lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for professionals seeking reliable grounding solutions for precise welding tasks. Number 3. The LISHUAI on-off magnetic welding ground clamp is a versatile tool designed for efficient welding tasks using a rare earth neodymium magnet. It offers versatile capacities for 200A, 300A, and 600A, and features a switchable magnet for easy attachment and removal from metal surfaces. Originating from mainland China, this permanent magnet holder enhances welding precision and productivity. Number 4. The 200A divided by 300A divided by 600A magnetic on-off earth clamp is a strong neodymium magnet designed for efficient welding grounding. Its block-shaped structure allows easy attachment to metal surfaces, providing secure grounding in industrial welding tasks. Available in 200A, 300A, and 600A capacities, it is compact, durable, and designed for professional welders seeking reliable grounding solutions. Its simple on-off mechanism enhances usability. Number 5. The 300 amp welding grounding terminal earth magnetic ground clamp is an adjustable and strong welding magnet positioner. Designed with a neodymium magnet, it ensures a secure connection for efficient grounding in industrial welding tasks. Its round, block-shaped design offers flexibility, allowing easy positioning on various surfaces. With a 300A capacity, this permanent magnet clamp provides reliable performance in heavy-duty applications. The absence of holes enhances its durability.